Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can add roles in your Discord server. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we open Discord and go to our server. Then we press on our Discord server's name on top. After that we get a new line of tools, but we have to spot a settings button on the right side of screen and you click that. Now you got access to server settings. You have to scroll down to find roles option. After you go there, you will get create a new role button, but because I already have one role, I will go upper right corner on the plus button to add one more. Then you can pick a name and color for your role. After you're done customizing name and color, you can go create. After that, you pick for who is role invented: cosmetic, member, moderator or manager. I picked here member just for example. So we came to an end of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave like and hit subscribe button for more.